In today's video, hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, it's all about me getting some random things done around my home. I hadn't been feeling well the last few days, so I wanted to make sure that I got all of this stuff taken care of. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for being here, first of all. Second of all, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M. This is my home, and you're just going to see me doing all kinds of different things today. I'm going to be cleaning and organizing, that sort of thing. My videos pertain to home life, so that's shopping, cleaning, cooking, organizing chaos, because Kim does not organize very well. Let's be real. And car tutorials, how to fix things, that sort of thing. If that sounds like something that interests you, please do not forget to hit subscribe. It really helps my channel, as well as hitting the like button. I'm washing off these lampshades, I think that is what you call it, with vinegar and also Dawn Power Wash.
Set on me to keep me shut to the ground.
With these stove inserts, they have to be cleaned off very often because we cook a lot in this kitchen, like 3 to 4 times a day, just depending on who's hungry, who wants what, who's eating what, that sort of thing. Sometimes we all eat different things for dinner. At any rate, let me know below in the comments how often you clean off your stove. Today's video is also a collaboration. It's an all things YouTube, name your niche collaboration. And today, my niche is doing all of the things. I have so many things to do. I have a review, deep cleaning, speed cleaning, and all of that great stuff. The All Things YouTube collaboration is hosted by Tiffany from All Things Tiffany Nicole. It is hosted monthly, and if that's something that you are interested in, I will leave her name as well as everyone else involved in the comments below. These little contraptions are so hard to put on. My fingers are so sore, but now they look much better and I'm glad that I got it taken care of. One thing that I always try to remember is if I'm taking off lampshades in one room, I'm going to do every room on that floor that has lampshades, as well as like something like if I'm cleaning doors, I'm going to do the same thing. That way I don't have to think, okay, did I clean this door today? Because I know I cleaned that door yesterday. Just do it all at once. And these look so much better as well. Ooh, that was a workout. So now I'm coming in my living room to clean off the window and the sliding glass door. And I also have to do a gypsy couch clean. And I know y'all have seen it 1,000 times, but I gotta do what I gotta do, okay? In case you are interested, I'm listening to Prince in my background. Shout out to all my homies who love Prince, because that's my dude, okay?
Moments holding on, and we hold our breath. Close enough to burn, but I never learn. Try to make it last.
How are you guys doing? Let me know below in the comments. As you know, I always ask that because I really am interested. I love conversing with you guys. You guys leave the nicest comments. I even respond to the rude comments too. I'm just saying. I'm so thankful that you're here, and I hope you know that you are amazing. No, seriously, you really are. You are amazing and you are worthy. I think these have to be probably the most annoying blinds that I've ever had to clean in life's history, okay? And we do plan on replacing these, but they're quite pricey. With my gypsy couch clean, I'm really focusing on where the stitching is, like the little cracks and crevices of the couch, because I feel like a lot of food gets into there. If you ever decide to do a gypsy couch clean, just be sure to focus on those areas as well. It doesn't take the couch a long time to dry. It's probably been about 40 minutes, so I'm just gonna put everything back. If you have not tried this, try it. I'm sure you will like it. It's easier than getting out your carpet cleaner to clean everything down. And I feel like my couch is a whole nother color. Also, depending on what you use to clean it off, your house would just be smelling completely amazing, and mine definitely does. I use Fabuloso and Yellow Mr. Clean Disinfectant. Sorry, I just had a coughing attack. Anyway. This is not going to be a deep clean of the refrigerator. It's just a maintenance clean. You just kind of like wipe it out in between grocery shopping trips, all that great stuff. That's what I'm doing. So I really care about my mental health, and I get anxious and can get anxiety at any given time if I'm overwhelmed. So I do this shelf by shelf. So disinfecting a refrigerator is very important. So what I'm gonna do is, a lot of times with disinfectants, you have to spray it on the item and allow it to sit for like however long. So I'm gonna spray that on all of the little clear plastic things. What are those called? Liners. My refrigerator liners. And then I'm just going to, go from there as far as cleaning out the refrigerator. The refrigerator is being cleaned out with vinegar. I love cleaning with vinegar. I do use other cleaning products, but let me tell you something. Vinegar is my go-to. These have been sitting here for probably about 5 minutes. I've already sprayed my vinegar on them, so I'm just gonna wipe them off. Public service announcement. Refrigerator liners are your friend. Check out these organization skills. I got it, a little bit.
Sweater. Winter is my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close, and I need you close. Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close.
All in my rag. My cleaning cloth, whatever you want to call it. So now I gotta get a different one. But first I'm gonna shake it off in the sink so that no crumbs are in the washer when my husband washes clothes. And on a normal basis, like in the middle of me cleaning, I always just throw the rag here. So everything has been wiped down as far as the condiments. Now for the water, I am not taking those waters out and wiping them down. First shelf is complete. So while you're cleaning out your refrigerator, it's a very good time to see if anything has expired. For instance, we do have condiments for a long time, and you just never know if they're expired because we just have them for a long time, like I said. So definitely check the expiration date. These liners are really, really dirty, just from spills and that sort of thing. So I washed it with Dawn antibacterial dish soap.
We could be good friends. We could be good friends. Be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me, it's harder. Feels like I'm stuck underwater. Can't hold my breath. Can't hold my breath. Don't know what's there. No. Na 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 na.
There is my trash right there. Wasn't much. I'm not actually throwing the container away there. I'm going to take the onion out of it. But everything is nice and clean and wiped off. And honestly, I promise you, if you do this every time you go grocery shopping, especially if you notice there's a mess, and I feel like there's always something spilled in my refrigerator, it will save you from deep cleaning. Thank you again for allowing me to participate in this collaboration, Tiffany. I will be sure to link the playlist down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. Be sure to let the ladies know that Kim with a Y sent you over. All of these crumbs are from me moving the refrigerator. So don't forget to clean behind your stove and the refrigerator.
Every day, look away.
I did end up doing a grocery haul, but this video is so long, so I took it out. So here's just a snapshot of what we bought. So as far as my husband and I, we do have two different things that we do when we put our groceries away. He handles the freezer because he is good at organizing and I handle everything else. Do you guys go to the store with your significant other? Let me know, and then let me know how you guys put your groceries away as well. I'm in the process of making my marinade for the roast that I'm making tomorrow, and I will show you how I do it. It's a really easy recipe and it's really, really good as well. First, you need 3/4 cup of water, 1/3 cup of soy sauce. I use a little bit less than a 1/3 cup. Then you need a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire, the Dub sauce. We have a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of paprika. Add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then we're gonna add a teaspoon of the complete seasoning. You'll add a tablespoon of brown sugar. You can add granulated sugar, and actually I think that's really what the recipe calls for. I always add my lime and my Dijon mustard after I whisk, but then I have to whisk again, so do it at your leisure. This is going to be so amazing. I cannot wait. So I'm gonna season this on both sides and put it in the crock pot. So here's a picture of the meal. It was the bomb, okay? And we only eat on fine china in these parts. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so it's like 4 days later. The last 4 days have been a struggle for me to even get out of the bed. Well, at any rate, I need to clean my bathroom because, like I said, it's been 4 days. And I figured I would try out this new product that I received from Lightwish. And it is a rotary cleaner that has an actual water tank in it for cleaner and water, so you don't have to keep going back and spraying. You can just squeeze it and it comes out. How about that? Okay, so what I like about this product has one button for 2 different speeds. All you have to do is click on it. How simple is that? It's evident that this is waterproof, obviously, because you can clean your bathroom, you can clean your bathtub, your sink, all that great stuff. And it has 5 different contraptions. Let me do that again. These interchangeable brushes, there are 5 of them. And that basically helps you to be able to touch any surface that you want to clean. They have ones that you can squeeze right in between, like different cracks and crevices of your shower, your sink. You know how the back of your sink gets like that hard water buildup? Some of these can get in there. This is a smooth one. This is one that I really am excited to use. This one is for, like, you know, shower, bathtub. You could probably do countertops and stuff like that. But once you touch your shower and bathtub, don't touch anything else with it because it's kind of unsanitary. I'm just saying. So anyway, this is good for like soap scum, hard water buildup, that sort of thing. So I'm going to show you what the back of my sink looks like. I have my other phone in here so that I can put the flashlight on so that you can see there is some hard water buildup on the back of the sink. So hopefully this removes it. I'm sure it will. The other great thing that I like about this is this has a 65 milliliter tank where you can put liquid in it. So you can put vinegar, for instance, in it, or whatever cleaner that you're using for that moment. And you know, you don't have to keep spraying. Think about all the times you spray, wipe, spray, wipe. All you're gonna have to do is just put it in here and wash out, wash out, wash out. Have you guys ever seen Grease? Brush up, brush up, brush up. Okay, I digress. It is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about if it gets wet, it breaking. It's completely fine. Before I clean off my sink and everything, I want to clean off my mirrors because you know you want to start from the top and work your way down from top to bottom. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Please do not forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I will be using vinegar. That is what's in this bottle. So I filled up the tank probably about 3/4 of the way, and then the rest I put in vinegar. So let's start with the lowest speed first. So we'll turn the power on. And I had already had the speed on because y'all know I tried it already. Okay. I see some progress. I'm gonna try a different brush though. Check out how easy it is to change the brush out. You just pull it out and you put a new one in. I think I'm gonna try this one because it can get down in those deep cracks and crevices of the soap scum and the water buildup. So when you want the water to come out, you just press the water button right there. The water and whatever cleaner you have. I know it's loud, I'm sorry. Do I think it's better than my sink floss? Yeah, I do. Let me just do a really quick sink floss so you can see how clean it is and how all that buildup is gone off of the sink. I love finding the gadgets that help me with cleaning because sometimes, you just be feeling lazy and don't want to clean up anything. But this gadget is so easy to use, so I will be using it for other things in my home as well. To be honest with you, 4 days of dust isn't as bad as I thought it would be. Very good. I'm going to try it on my showers. This is the area that I normally clean off with a toothbrush, but now I don't even have to do that. I'm definitely going to exercise my right to work smart and not hard with my new electric rotary brush. Okay, so as you can see, that orangey yellow stuff is gone off of that area right there. And let me give you a comparison to how orangey, browny, yucky this area is. I really do like that contraption that Amazon find from Light Switch. I will leave their information below in the description box in case you are interested. I will have a coupon code attached as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.